Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity knows no bounds. Today, Rosie takes us on a journey of self expression, capturing the essence of beauty through her artistry. With each stroke, she paints her thoughts, her dreams, her emotions onto the canvas, creating a masterpiece that speaks volumes. Her back to the world, she surrenders to the flow of creativity, allowing her innermost feelings to guide her hand. In this moment of pure vulnerability, Rosie finds strength, courage, and solace in the embrace of her art. In the quiet of her creative sanctuary, Rosie's imagination knows no limits. With each movement of her hand, she waves a tapestry of emotions intertwining light and shadow, color and form. Through her art, Rosie invites us to see the world through her eyes, to feel the pulse of life coursing through every line and curve. In this sacred space, she finds solace, strength, and the freedom to express her most profound truths. As we bid farewell to this chapter of artistic adventures, let us carry with us the spirit of creativity that Rosie so effortlessly embodies. Embark on a mesmerizing journey of creativity with Rosie as she unveils the hidden depth of beauty through her artistry. In this enchanting series, follow Rosie's captivating process of self expression, where each brushstroke is a testament to her passion and talent. From delicate sketches to vibrant masterpieces, experience the magic of unveiling beauty as Rosie invites viewers into her world of boundless imagination and profound emotion. Until next time, keep watching and keep creating. Thank you so much for watching.